Come on, guys, get moving. Oh, it's just a nice. It's just done. Look at that, guys. Come on.
Guys, go get your candy. Go knock on the door.
Who's got courage enough over here? There's got to be one of you with courage. Who's got courage?
You get extra. Oh.
Whoa! Team, all guys. Whoa! What do you say? Joey, was that scary?
No.
No.
Look at the garbage can.
I got scared.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.